Hi everyone, this is Kyle Scanlon with MarineMax Charleston. Want to show you my new listing. This is a 2018 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. It's got a white hull, red graphics. It's powered by a Mercury 200 XL motor with only 60 hours on it. Let's go check it out. Now that we're on board, I'd like to point out a few features. You've got flip-up backrest, upgraded JL audio, tackle storage under helm seat, adjustable helm seat, and with the sport fishing package, rocket launchers. Up on the helm, you'll notice we have a 7-inch Raymarine screen, Fusion audio, Raymarine VHF, electronic throttle and shift, and stainless steel steering wheel. In the bow, you'll notice that we have cooler seating, more JL audio speakers, plenty of bow seating. If you remove the cushions, you'll notice storage underneath, plenty of room for casting, and removable backrests. Thank you for joining me on the walkthrough of my 2018 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. This boat does include trailer and boat covers. If you would like to learn more about this boat or any of our others, you can find us at MarineMaxCharleston.com. I'm Kyle Scanlon. Thanks for watching.